Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix iPhone wallpaper keeps disappearing and turning black problem fix. In this video I'll tell you how can you fix this issue, but first subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. Addressing disappearing wallpaper with a device restart. When your iPhone's wallpaper vanishes or turns black, a basic but effective solution is to restart your iPhone. This issue can stem from minor software glitches, particularly if you are using a custom image as your wallpaper. For this, press and quickly release the volume up button and do the same with the down button and press the power button. And then slide to power off, and after some time press the power button until you see the Apple logo on your home screen and you are done. Next, I am going to tell you troubleshooting wallpaper glitches by reapplying it. If restarting your iPhone doesn't resolve the disappearing or black wallpaper problem, the issue might be with the wallpaper file itself or its data. Removing and then reapplying the wallpaper can often fix these glitches. For this, go to Settings, scroll down and then tap on Wallpaper and then remove the problematic wallpaper. Swipe left to add the new wallpaper. To add new wallpaper, tap on the plus icon. Next, choose the wallpaper you want to and then tap on Add at the top right corner and then choose Set as Wallpaper Pair or Customize Home Screen as you want. This process refreshes the wallpaper settings and data, potentially fixing any underlying issues with the wallpaper display, and you are done. And the next step is updating iOS for enhanced stability. If the wallpaper problem persists, updating your iOS to the latest version is recommended. Software updates often include fixes for such glitches. For this, go to Settings, scroll down and then tap on General. Next, tap on Software Update and then wait until the page is loading. See if there is any update available, then tap on Update Now and update the latest version of iOS and you are done. I hope this solution will fix your issue of iPhone wallpaper keeps disappearing and turning black problem. And also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.